I'm Marty.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Marty Paget, editor at Knack Toy Organizing Committee.
Good morning, everybody. It's great to be here, and doesn't Copa look fantastic? There at the Media Center, really, check it out, it's fantastic this year. I am Marty Paget from Internet Brands Automotive, and I am deeply honored this morning to represent the people that have chosen the 2015 Car and Truck Utility of the Year. Some 57 journalists have voted this year on our winners. They represent every stripe of media, from print to online, from broadcast to podcast to radio. And many of them are new this year to the jury. So if everybody who's a jury member voted this year could raise your hands, I'd like people to recognize you. And also to all the police officers who have been waiting patiently, you can now go ahead and serve all those speeding ticket warrants. I'll get to the award winners in just a moment, but first a reminder on how we pick them. All jurors drive new or significantly updated vehicles, and they get points based on design, safety, features, performance, and value. First, we decide on a list of eligible vehicles. Then we narrow that to a short list of nominees. A second ballot trims that list to 3 finalists for each award, and the final ballot chooses the winners. They're kept secret by Deloitte Touche until now. We have representatives on hand to give us the nominees and to the winners in just a moment. But first, we would like to thank the organizers of the North American International Auto Show for giving us this kickoff slot every year, even though these awards are independent and are not given by the show itself. Now for the Truck Award. A little history. First, domestic brand automakers have won the Truck Utility Award 14 times. Import brands have won 7 times, and of those, Japanese automakers have taken home 4 trophies and the Europeans 3. This year, a strong field of nominees has given us these 3 finalists, and they are the Chevrolet Colorado, Ford F-150, go ahead, Claude. Chevrolet Colorado, the Ford F-150, and the Lincoln MKC. Sandra Leskis here to help us out with the award winners. Michelle Wade. That's Michelle Collins, by the way. She was running late. Okay. The 2015 North American Truck of the Year is the Ford F-150. Accepting on behalf of Ford is Joe Hinrichs, Ford's President of the Americas.
Well, good morning, everyone, and Happy New Year. It's a great way to start the new year. First off, of course, I want to recognize and congratulate our colleagues at Chevrolet for their recognition as a finalist, and of course our own team members with Lincoln with the MKC. It's an honor, of course, and a privilege to be the one who gets to pick up this honor for all of our employees at Ford Motor Company. Our chief engineer for the F-150 program, Pete Reyes, is down here in the audience as well. Congratulations, Pete. And of course, so many other people worked on this program. The F-150 has gotten a lot of attention, of course, no shortage of media coverage. And of course, the aluminum body and everything that stands for gets a lot of attention. But what we're most proud of this truck is that it serves our customers in a way we've never served them before. It's more capable, it's the smartest and the toughest. And for us, making trucks is what's in our DNA. And F-150 is part of our F-Series lineup which, as you know, is now 38 years running the best-selling truck in America. So once again, to all the jurors and the media who are part of this selection process, thank you for voting for us. Thank you again for all this process that we have to recognize North American Trucking Car of the Year. And again, from all of us at Ford Motor Company, thank you again for this award.
Okay. So, you know, at this point, actually, we were going to perform a lengthy interpretive dance about the history of the NACTOY Awards, because who doesn't love a little interpretive dance to get in the way of a press conference? But we actually ran into copyright problems with the name we came up with. Tony Swan Lake. I know it's awkward. Who knew he had a side project going? Instead, we're going to give you what you showed up early for, the North American Car of the Year Award. Looking back at previous years, automakers from America have won 12 times. Japanese automakers have clocked 3 wins, European automakers 4, and the Korean automakers have 2 wins, both going to Hyundai. This year's nominees are the Ford Mustang. Go ahead. The Hyundai Genesis sedan. And the Volkswagen Golf, including TSI, TDI, and GTI. The 2015 North American Car of the Year is the Volkswagen Golf. Accepting for Volkswagen is Michael Horn, President and CEO of Volkswagen Group of America.
Wow. Thank you so much, but before I talk about the Golf, I would really like to pay some respect to the Hyundai Genesis, because you guys made a great job. I mean, the design is stunning, and we got some good people from you now in our team. The Mustang is the American icon, 50 years, and when I studied in San Francisco, I drove a 67 Mustang myself, and I'm still playing to maybe get a GT 350 66 Chevy, so who knows. But anyhow, I'm really excited. We didn't really expect this award. Even after all these awards the Golf family has gotten this year, and I would like to thank you very much. I mean, 57 journalists from all over the different media, and you picked the Golf family. It's a great honor for us, and I'm really moved, because it shows that Volkswagen is on the right track in the US. The Golf represents our DNA, I mean, clearly, because we pack all this engineering wisdom, all this precision, all this design, all the value in such a compact car. And having all those models, starting with the TSI, the clean diesel TDI, the e-Golf, all electric, and the GTI, I mean, I think the journalists and everybody made the right choice, and the Golf story is going to continue this year. We bring the Golf R, 300 horses, all-wheel drive. The first 500 cars sold out within 11 hours, and the Sportwagen is going to come, so stay tuned. And we have here also Jacob Neusser. He's our EVP for Research and Engineering from the brand Volkswagen. Jacob, this is to you and your team. Thank you very much.
Okay, folks, well, that's our show. On behalf of the jury, congratulations to all the women and men that made these winners, and to all the nominees for a great showing. We'll see you here next year.